Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. And today y'all, we are doing gingerbread houses. Yay. Okay, so I don't know. It said you need a skill level 2, so get it together.
You need what?
A skill level 2 to do this.
I gotta do anything.
And that's what
It's really easy.
Valid. Okay, so we're gonna make we're gonna build gingerbread houses. We're gonna see who can do it the best. And then yeah, we're gonna show it on here because you know what? It's Christmas. And I've never actually made gingerbread house. Me either. Yeah. I like gingerbread. So it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna bring our camera in so that we are here. Okay, y'all. So fix the what's this thing is? The end, right? It's so cute. Fix the camera so it's showing all the tables. So now we're gonna open all the stuff and then build all the houses and yes, give our childhood prepare for total dominance. Oh my god! Oh, you got trees and stuff. Oh, smell it. Smells real gingery. Yeah. I'm not expect that. No. It's a gingerbread house. Yeah, I think it's not that gingery. The icing. We prepare it. Yeah. Perfect for building and decorating needs. Right, we got 2 covers. One's round and one's pretty. What? One's round and one's pretty. Okay.
I'll put some raisins on mine.
Some what?
Okay, never mind. Put some color.
Wasn't they supposed to be little rocks?
I don't know. I haven't gotten to my creative zone yet. This reminds me about my days back in med school when we were hanging back IV bags.
You were not adopted.
I am adopted.
You was not adopted.
Don't cut it too big.
What's these?
You. Beside my Chanel purse. What's these? The upper body. Thank you.
Oh my
You
God.
is what's big. No, it does twist, okay.
You didn't believe me? All right, let's try this again.
What you think? Don't lie to her.
I like it.
She always daggone hating. That's why mine gonna look better. Now this is a competition for real.
Oh, I didn't even do nothing. I'm artistic, but I didn't even do nothing.
Each house is beautiful.
No, he always.
And y'all be competing.
We ain't get no participation trophy. Going down. Wait, I got a whole I don't put it on the house.
And I'm gonna put.
Looks so good.
Thank you. My house looks safe. That's what it do.
Into the house. Okay. Ice me up.
Ice me out, Marcus. You need help. That's what you need.
Why you said it with me at the same time?
No, you need help. I don't know what to do now.
What?
I don't know what to do with my.
Well, you can lose. You gonna forget someone else?
Put the gingerbread man sliding off the house.
Okay, so do you want to be in it?
You look cute.
Okay, so this is Eric Hayes and her gingerbread house, and she's gonna explain to us her decoration and what she did. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action.
Welcome to my episode of Unique TV Cribs.
Oh my god.
You know, you gonna like pan it in, like zoom it, like make it slow. Like don't show this side. I gotta explain it. So you know, here we have a front view version. This is Bertha. This is, I ain't got his name yet, but these are the gingerbread people that live here, and you can see they have a crusted peppermint driveway with the freshly fallen snow. Zoom in, zoom in. You enter the residence through the brightly colored candy door, and it's got like snow and ice falling off the side of the house. You know, here you have a intricately decorated roof design with the contrasting character side of the house where there was a mistake made by the contractor. But that's okay because the house has character and it gives them something to look forward to when they fix it. And so, you know, there you have, you know, just disregard the stroke side. Like that side had a stroke, but just appreciate this for what it is because it's great. And y'all ain't got to go home, but you got to get the heck out of here. This was Unique TV Cribs. Peace.
Right, so it's not Unique TV Cribs.
It's Unique TV Cribs.
All right, so let me show you guys my gingerbread house. Okay, so this is it. This is Bill and Brittany. Okay.
Oh, she got hair.
Yeah,
Wow.
she got hair. She got weave. She got that 40 inches. You know.
Wow.
Indian. Never fake. All real.
Oh snap! She's a baddie.
A baddie. Okay. They got mittens on. You feel me? On both hands. They say we got money.
No
frostbite. No frostbite. Okay. So as you see, they got their gumdrops and peppermint, you know, leading up in their driveway to their door, which is just whatever design you made that.
That's a nicely decorated screen door you got there.
Okay. To their multicolor, you know, front with the ice falling off the house.
You copied off.
You know, don't, girl, please.
Sorry, go ahead.
The lies. Okay. And then they have on the sides, you know, they have the snow around the bottom of the house. So they got that as well. And then, you know, they got the little house design, the top part where they got the trio. And then, you know, the lines, because you know that we about it. And then, what? And then we got the peppermint, you know, candy drop house.
That's the aerial view.
So, you
the
know,
drone view.
And you know, they upscale, they bougie, they don't like do too much, but they do enough for you to know that they're rich and they got money. And yeah, you know, they got the bread. They cookies, but it's okay.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie. That was good. Gingerbreads. Oh.
So, yeah. And that's the house, guys. That's the house. It don't taste good. So, final verdict. You tell us which one you like better. Erica's right there. Sanaya's right there.
Hello.
You tell us which one you like better. But this was our gingerbread house. The gingerbread cookies are
Not that good.
okay. All right. See, you be lying.
No,
They're not that good. They're not that good. They're not that
I
good.
like eating.
So we tried it.
It's not bad.
It was work. We was construction workers. We was out here.
It tastes like compacted sand with ginger in it.
Ugh.
I think it's just because it's sweet. I'm just like, I'm just eating it.
Maybe
Oh,
because
you just need something sweet.
we could have.
Yeah, you need something better than this.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your 2 cents down in the comment box below. And yeah, that's it for the video. My name is Anine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow for another day. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.